Next, we'll look at adding different signs. So if we have different signs, we'll subtract the absolute values. So we're not subtracting the numbers that are given, we are subtracting their absolute values. And after we subtract their absolute values, we keep the sign of the larger. And it's not the larger number, it's the larger absolute value. So and then the addition sign means that there's a change. So anytime you have addition, like I said in the previous video, that means that there is a change. So if we look at our example, -3 plus 2. -3 means that we start with 3 negative integer chips, and then we add 2. There's a change, and we add 2 more positive integer chips, and we create 0 pairs. So the -1 and +1 cancel each other out, and then another -1, +1 cancel each other out. Well, now we don't have any more pairs to make, so the leftover chip is a -1, and we only have one of those. So our answer is -1. But what if we have a +3 plus -2? Well, we start with 3 positive integer chips, and then there's a change of adding 2 negative integer chips. So we cancel out our 0 pairs, +1 and -1 cancel out, and then another +1 and -1 cancel, and we're left with 1 positive integer chip, so that means our answer is +1. Likewise, with our addition, if we have a positive and a negative, that is a 0 pair. And again, your 0 pair is an additive inverse. However, if we create 0 pairs, then the leftover chips will be our answer. Let's look at a number line. If we have -17 plus 20 plus -5, we start at 0, and we're going to move left 17 spaces. That's what our -17 means. Once we reach that -17 space, there is a change. The addition sign means a change, and we are going to change +20. So we're going to go to the right in the positive direction 20 spaces, and then there's another change. This next change is a -5. So now we are going to move to the left 5 spaces. So we move to the left 5, and we end up at -2.